please click on Mopos icon. It will show you the greeting screen. After that, it will redirect you to the login screen where you have to enter the user ID and the password. But before that, at the bottom of the screen you can see the setting button. You have to set the server path first. So please click on setting button. It has redirected you to server settings screen. Click on reset button to reset the server path. Enter the server path in the edit screen. After entering it, click on OK button. It will set the server path and redirect you to login screen again. Now you can enter the user ID and the password for authentication purpose. If you have entered the valid user ID and password, it will ask you for access key. Here the access key is nothing but the username who's going to use it. Click on OK button. This is the main screen of iMopos. Here you can see 4 buttons: Administrator, Sales, Help and Logout. First we will check out the feature of Sales button. Click on Sales button. In Sales button menu you can see Product, Scan, Order and Ready Order buttons. Click on Product for manual selection of product. After clicking on Product, it will list out the product type in the shop. Here you can see all the product type in the particular shop. Click on Food. It will list out the food type, food category in the shop, which is fast food and fruit. We will click on fast food. It will show all the options of fast food which has been listed out as burger and pizza. We will click on pizza. Now it will show the type of pizza we are having: Peppy Paneer Pizza and Mexican Green Wave Pizza. We will click on Peppy Paneer Pizza. It will show you all the details of the product with the 5 valid images of that product, which is product, actual name, price of the product, discount on it, and the total number of stock we are having. You can change the image by clicking on the listed images. For more information, you can click on I button at the bottom of the screen. It will show you more detailed information regarding the product. Now click on I again. To purchase the product, you have to enter the quantity. We will enter the quantity as 2 and done. We will now click on add to cart button, which will add our purchase product to the shopping cart. We can make more purchase by clicking on back button, but now we will check out for to go towards our shopping cart. Here in shopping cart we can see we have purchased only one product, which is Pepi Paneer Pizza of 2, quantity is 2, and its discount on it 5.33, and the total price of the product for 2 quantity. We can see the checkbox in front of Pepi Paneer Pizza or product. We can click on it and click on delete button if we want to remove that product from our shopping cart. Now we will make a payment. We will click on payment button. We will see the following payment option: cash, credit, debit card, Google Checkout, PayPal.